Hello viewers, many people actually want to know about the note-taking experience on OnePlus Pad Lite. Though there is no AI in the OnePlus Pad Lite, but you can find OnePlus AI or artificial intelligence inside this note app. If you are a student, it will help you to write notes. In this video, I am going to give you an example. Here I will write hello viewers and then I will write about some tablet. And after that I will use the AI. After writing few lines, I will take the help of AI and it will write the next lines for me. In order to activate AI, you have to click on this sign, that is AI, and now you have to click on this on format. Now it will transform my line into an AI version. After that I will click on replace and my lines will be replaced by these lines. Now I will go again into AI and now I will click on continue writing. This continue writing feature will write extra lines for you, and within seconds you can perform these tasks on this OnePlus Pad Lite. Now suppose these lines are not sufficient for you, so if you want to add this, click on replace and then click on AI and now continue writing. It will give you another paragraph, and in this way you can proceed paragraph by paragraph after using continue writing option on AI features. So in this way you can add as much paragraph as you want. You just have to click on this continue writing. I think this is a very handy feature for students. Apart from these options, there are other options there. You can add title, subtitle, heading and font size. Now you can change the color of the font. Also there is scribble feature. You can write down on this app with the use of your finger. With the use of your fingertips, you can definitely have a good writing experience on this tablet, though it will not be as convenient as with a pen, but you can have casual writing at times that will help you. After that you can record anything and it will automatically transform into audio format or text format. After that there are many other features. If you click on plus button, there are photos. You can take photos from your gallery into this app, and in this way you can insert this. You can also insert videos and many other things. Now you have to click on this. You can take photo, you can tag photo or take photo, and then there is spreadsheets and many other things. After that, if you click on this share button, you can share your text, image or word file. After that, if you click on this three dot, you can have these options. You can find anything on the text or note app. After that, you can pin this note app. You can also change the skin of this note or writing tools or writing page. In this way you can choose up to 4 pages or skins. After that you will get set reminders, and then you can set a calendar reminder by using this. And also there is option of moving or locking this page, but you have to set password for this lock system. And now you can add to home screen. If you add to home screen, you can have access in this home screen like this. Also there is option of deleting things up. So these are the features that are available in the note app. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.